Welcome to the Yes or No English channel. This channel helps you learn English in a simple way through daily usage English, story practice, and shadow speaking.
Practice daily and grow your confidence in English.
Hi, everyone. Today we're practicing at the swimming pool sentences.
Ready? Let's go.
I walk to the swimming pool.
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 I see the big pool building.
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 I pay the entry fee.
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 I get a locker key.
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 I go to the changing room.
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 I wear my swimming shorts.
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 I put my clothes in the locker.
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 I walk to the pool area.
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 I see the blue water.
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 I dip my feet in the 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 water.
The water feels cold.
The water feels cold.
The water feels cold.
The water feels cold.
I take a deep breath.
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 I jump into the pool.
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 I start swimming slowly.
I start swimming slowly.
I start swimming slowly.
I start swimming slowly.
I do the breaststroke.
I do the breaststroke.
I do the breaststroke.
I do the breaststroke.
I try to float on water.
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 I hold my breath underwater.
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 I play with a ball.
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 I swim to the deep end.
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 I rest at the pool edge.
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 I drink some water.
I drink some water.
I drink some water.
I drink some water.
I get tired after swimming.
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 I climb out of the pool.
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 I dry myself with a towel.
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 I feel happy and refreshed.
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 Wonderful! You just practiced 25 at the swimming pool sentences.
Subscribe for a new video every day.
See you next time.